And the race is on. Winning bid is running by the rally's pay to see. Don't explain significant other. Dynamic Love and winning bid Kampai is racing by the rail. Don't explain Queen's Quest alongside and by the rail significant other than on the inside pay to see. Dynamic Love Kampai is coming into the picture, passing the half-mile post. Don't explain by half a length, followed by Queen's Quest. Kampai is on the outside and Dynamic Love pay to see. Winning bid as they race the last 450. Don't explain by ahead and Kampai is on the outside. Dynamic Love winning bid as they race the last 150. Don't explain by an Kampai and Queen's Quest on the inside. Dynamic Love. Don't explain Queen Quest. Kampai is on the outside, but still don't explain. And finally, don't explain Queen's Quest. Kampai close for third and fourth. Dynamic Love winning bid, pay to see and sign.